I'm wondering if I should curl it though. I don't really care where you've been. Just living when you make me so big. Yes. No. These are clothes that I'm donating. My school actually has a thing. I have more clothes I'm gonna donate, but these are just clothes for right now. This is heavy. It's been really freaking cold. Oh, I mean, it's been really hot, which is so odd because it's literally like November, about to be mid-November next week, and it's been so hot. But today it's actually kind of chilly, like how it should feel in about fall. So I feel a little better. Not a girl with a Hollywood smile. Hi, can I get 2 Bahama Mamas? All I ever asked was you to show me some love. I always take the one that's filled up the most. So I'm taking this one. Don't tell my mom. But she knows I do this too. That's why I always drink mine first. Y'all, listen to my song. Brand and property restoration. Join ServPro and experience great pay. I'm going to school like this. This is, excuse the mess I made in my room. Okay, silk press. Stop. It actually looks really good.
You know ain't no silk.
But like it's so long. It's getting so long. Pretty friend. Jada, say hi. I'm trying to be an aesthetic, clean, girly setting. Look at my nails. Oh, it's so humiliating.
Because you look at the research.
Haley's so pretty. Haley, we have to talk.
We have to talk. Minorities.
Go. You go first. I just have a question. I just want to make sure that.
There's something about, I don't even know.
He said black people are the real Jews. That's what he said. I'm not. I'm videoing.
Can I get over trash, please?
Oh, is the meeting over?
Yeah. You have Bluetooth in yours?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
We're at Taco Bell. I don't want food. Gosh darn. If I would have known we were getting food, I wouldn't have got food. But I might get a drink.
They have unsweetened.
This is absolutely ridiculous. Like, we're going to McDonald's because I don't really eat Taco Bell like that, honestly.
I don't remember last time I went to Taco Bell.
Look at my pretty friend.
She said I'm focusing on what came into me. So yes.
Whoa, you were driving really close to the other side of the road.
I think you're okay. I was very considerate of my passengers. Large Sprite.
Is that 2 large Sprite?
Yep.
Anything else?
Can I get barbecue sauce?
Natural and
I was like, are you okay? You having a bad day? Because why does he sound like that? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
He did sound like he was having a bad day.